Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about China's new AI video generator, which is called Infinite Talk AI. And people are saying it just destroyed Sora 2 with its speed, realism, and unlimited access. So first of all, let's understand what exactly is Infinite Talk AI. So it is a next generation video generator that turns your text into full talking video scenes, just like OpenAI's Sora 2, but with one big difference. It is absolutely free, unlimited, and fully open to public. This tool creates realistic human avatars that can speak any language with perfect lip sync and emotion. You just type your script, choose the voice and face, and within a second, it renders a complete video. And the best part is that for this purpose, you don't need any of the needing editing experience. Now unlike Sora 2, which is still invite only, Infinite Talk AI lets anyone generate high quality videos instantly. It also supports the long conversations, multiple speakers, and live translation that makes it ideal for YouTube, news, and marketing content. Now there are many people that are saying that it is so advanced that it looks like real people are talking, not the 3D models. You can also just take a look at the samples in this video. So because it is built on China's new OpenAI infrastructure, there are no strict generation limits or paywalls here. So yeah, Infinite Talk AI might have just crushed Sora 2 in terms of access and features. So would you like to switch to this tool if it stays free and open? You can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.